TorahCafe.com.
Look how fast this goes. How much oil goes there? Very little, because 2-3 tablespoons. This is double. Now, it looks like it's not fair that it disappears so completely. I took this gigantic pot because it was full, but it has a way of dehydrating. Dame la cebolla. ¿Dónde? Okay. And look, same trick. Look what's going to happen. You'd be crazy not to take it out. Or a glutton for punishment. 2 large ones per recipe. I'm not in the chef's corner, I'm in the housewives' corner. I am a chef that advocates for housewives. Why do you want to learn how to use a mandolin? Here! You'll never need it. Dame la grande, okay, bien. Okay. Pour this into here. How much wine goes in? This is a cup. A cup of wine. A cup of red wine, 2 cups. Don't worry, I'm not just going. I know what I'm doing. 6 cups water is in. Yeah. 6 cups of... Okay, let me just say this. I brought the lamb at the precise moment where it finished cooking for 2 hours. So we did the water, we did all that. Look how beautiful. Do you think you're going to get something better than this? Wow. In 2 seconds, 8 onions? Yeah. If somebody came up with something that simplifies your life, absolutely do it. Let's see what does not fall in that category. I don't call simplifying your life imitation vanilla for natural vanilla. I don't call garlic powder a simplification of fresh fat. Of course not. That's the wrong thing. This is the right thing. I find a tool to do fantastic slicing. Turmeric, the greatest antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It contributes very little flavor, but it contributes a great texture, and it's fabulous. Now, I see a lot of you buying those little drug dealer vials of saffron and say, I'll be damned if I ever go and do this to myself again. Don't do this to yourself. Buy a big container that will last you. I have this for more than a year. And I'm a cook. This is fantastic. My mother is, God bless her, an old lady, very old lady. She said, I'm not asking for any luxury. I want to make sure that I have my something. So this week she saw that she was very low and she said, get that box of saffron. It's the only way that I can be happy. Okay, bay leaf. Throughout my book, I instruct you to please grind it. First of all, you don't have to fish it out. No, pepper goes all the way at the end, or does it?
Only wine and rosemary.
Rosemary. Rosemary. Fresh will make a big difference here. It exists. It's all over, everywhere. Leaves only, and if you are too lazy to do this, throw it in. We'll fish it out later. You'll see it soon enough. Mix this real good. Make sure it's delicious. Let me just do this. And then I'm going to put it on a double fire. And the last thing that goes in is my tiny new potatoes. Now look at this. And I want to say a word about new potatoes. Bad news, they're more expensive than the 5-pound bag, naturally. Good news, the look is there, no peeling, and they're fantastically delicious. Did you put in ground pepper? I can do it now. I don't like ground pepper. I always prefer all the way at the end because I don't like the acrid taste. I think you can go here. Give me a little. I don't put a lot.
I
Not even the which one? Cayenne?
Yeah.
We're gonna find something. A little more. I have some hot sauce. Just give her to me. Want a little bit more? Like I have nothing. Okay, that's it. Very nice. Would you agree with me that this was very low maintenance? All I did before you came was cook it in water. Then came this. Then will come in about 20, 30 minutes, we will put the potatoes. And that's the whole entire thing. I want to make enough liquid for the potatoes when they come. Needless to say, but maybe you never know, maybe I need to say it, you run out of water because the flame was higher than what you estimated. Add some. Don't just say Levana says it cut. Well, of course, you're going to use sechel everywhere.